Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and former party chief Rahul Gandhi today held a strategy meeting with leaders from the Assam Congress unit ahead of next year's assembly elections. This was the first interaction between the top party leadership and the Assam unit since the appointment of Gaurav Gogoi as the new state party chief. The meeting took place at the newly inaugurated Indira Bhavan headquarters and was attended by AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and Jitendra Singh, the party's General Secretary in charge of Assam. The Manipur government has issued a red alert following continuous heavy to very heavy rainfall over the past 3 days, severely impacting normal life across the state. The affected districts include Jiribam, Nune, Senapati and Kangpokpi. In response to the ongoing weather conditions, district administrations in the affected areas have released a weather advisory. Residents of Jiribam, Nune, Senapati and Kangpokpi have been urged to take precautionary measures. According to the India Meteorological Department (IMD), the region is expected to experience continued heavy to very heavy rainfall accompanied by high-speed winds, thunderstorm and lightning. These weather conditions are likely to persist until 2nd June 2025. A tragic stone wall collapse in Thompui locality of Aizawl, Mizoram today resulted in 1 death and 1 injury while rescue teams continue searching for a third person feared to be trapped. The incident occurred amid severe weather conditions across the state. The India Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert for extremely heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, lightning and strong winds. Rescue teams recovered Lalnung Mawai from Lungwell village, confirming his death. Lalfak Zwala from Aizawal's Ramta locality was injured and is receiving treatment. Emergency crews are working under difficult conditions to locate the third missing individual. Overnight rainfall has destabilized the terrain, increasing risk in Mizoram's hilly areas. North Korea today replaced senior military officials, including heads of the artillery and security bureaus, following a warship accident on May 21st that leader Kim Jong-un called a criminal act. The changes were made during a Central Military Commission meeting led by Kim, where 6 corps-level commanders and political commissars were also appointed. The meeting focused on tightening military discipline and approved undisclosed defense projects to maintain strategic superiority. India's Gulveer Singh won his 2nd gold medal today at the Asian Athletics Championship, claiming the men's 5,000-meter title with a championship record 13:24.78, surpassing the previous 2015 record. He had earlier won the 10,000-meter gold on the opening day. The 26-year-old from Uttar Pradesh had won bronze in the 5,000-meter at the last edition in Bangkok. Earlier this year, he broke the national 10,000-meter record and set records in the 3,000-meter indoor and 5,000-meter short tracks even. In the women high jump, 18-year-old Pooja won gold medal with a season-best 1.89 meter, breaking her own under-20 national record and becoming the 2nd Indian to medal in the event after Bobby Aloysius. India now stands 2nd in the medal tally with 18 medals, 8 gold, 7 silver and 3 bronze, behind China's 24 medal count.